Joey the Rat. Oh boy, Joey the Rat. Joey the Loser. Sneeze. Bro, you've been in that goddamn shelter room all day. And you thought to put on a ugly looking suit, jacket, and those jeans you just played basketball in the other day. And you just thought you was cool making this Cannibal Hulk crap. Jesus, man. Are you trying to just give me more material? Because, bro, it can't be true, bro. You making it too easy for me and my wife, man. You're making it way too easy, man. I mean, good lord, bro. First you try to come at me with your Olaf dude, which I think is you. I think you're the majority of your little fans. I really do, bro. Because I don't think you got fans all this much. You got your idiot people like Chandra and whoever else. Because I noticed, bro, stupid names like dumped in a van. I mean, bro, are you that pathetic that you gotta have, like, you fake accounts with other people? Bro, that's low, bro. That's low. You are a loser, but I didn't think you that good of a loser. But I just find it real funny that every one of your fans sound just alike. Just alike. And they all say Tyree Sneeze fan club. But this is the thing, though. Fan clubs usually have more than like 5 people. You usually have like at least 20 people. Got at least 20 or more. And they all sound the same? Come on, bro. You think we idiots? You think we idiots? I know you're about 5 followers you surely do have. They idiots. And dumb as a bag of bricks, but come on, man. Stop it. You are a loser. Stop thinking you are a winner. You're not. You are a loser. And losers only have loser things and loser people around them. So just stop it. And second, bro, I don't know whose meat you sucking at YouTube, but I tell you what, man. You know, it seemed like you just, you racist. You say the fag word like it's going out of style. You talking about, and this is funny though, man. I'm saying this only because, bro, they must like idiots on here and dumb as a bag of brick people, because it ain't no way you should still be on YouTube. Because one, that music of yours, that is disgustingly, I mean, bro, that music is terrible, man. Then you racist towards all these people, and they're not shutting you down. Come on, bro. It is what it is. Come on, you know. You can polish a turd, you can dress a turd up, but at the end of the day, it's still what? A turd. In case in point, what you wore today. And you know what, bro? You literally been in that funky, sweaty looking room all day, probably farting and watching cartoons all day. And the best thing you would come up with is wearing the same jeans you wore all week, played basketball in, and you put them on and put that that you was cool in that chair, playing that music over and over and over. Bro, you are terrible, man. I really believe you are just good and terrible. Good and terrible, bro. Trust me, you're just terrible. You don't have no money, no nothing, bro. You pathetic of a human being. I told you, bro, you getting off this, bro. Getting off you too. I'm coming for you.